Miss Grand Philippines Emma Tiglao and Filipino pageant fans absolutely adore Belle of Thailand, who won first runner-up in Miss Grand International. Fans have been teaching Belle some Tagalog words and the results are hilarious. Belle shared that speaking English is already challenging for her, but the Filipino fans have added another fun challenge, learning Tagalog too. Here are the video clips.
Pautang, Emma. Pautang. What?
Borrow money. Pautang.
Borrow money? Emma, pautang. Please, pautang.
Oh, we need to do TikTok after.
Pautang. Pautang, Emma.
Pautang, Belle.
You need to do a TikTok.
Pautang, Belle.
Pautang.
Belle.
Uy! Emma! Aray ko! Aray ko! Aray ko!
Ouch. Ouch. Aray ko.
Ouch!
Yes, neck.
Ouch! Ah! Uy!
One more.
Okay. Uy! Emma!
Aray ko.
Aray ko! Aray ko!
In Thai, how do you say that?
Uy! Jeb!
Chef?
Aray ko!
Chef?